I'm with Catherine, who's the owner of Prestige Auto. Tell us a bit about Prestige Auto, Catherine.
We've been running for about 13 years and
Yep.
we've got a team of 5 and we're currently looking for some apprentices to join the team.
Wonderful. And what sort of work do you do here at Prestige Auto?
So we do mostly car restoration, which is very different from your usual smash repair. So car restoration involves customization, fabrication and coach building as well, just depending on the project plan that the customer requires and requests of us.
Okay, and do you do everything from start to finish?
Yes, we do.
Like the car behind us?
Yes, like the car behind us, the smash one, yes.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yep.
So you start to finish, that's what you do. Okay.
Yes.
And what are you looking for in apprentices?
We're mostly looking for the attitude of attention to detail. So with the fabrication work with the panel beater, we're going to be looking for someone that is happy to work on a car from the start to the very finish. So it might be a very long and tedious process where there's a lot of patience required, but the results are definitely worth it. So seeing results like this come to life and making sure that everything's done according to what the customer wants is really rewarding in the end. So that's what they'll be learning here.
So if you have the passion for cars and you want to do something that's different, this is the place to come and work. Yeah, it's a great team. I highly recommend them because they're looking after one of my cars. So apply for the role and we'd love to have a chat with you.